Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. GitHub released a very new feature that I think it's one of the most important things they've released so far concerning like the upgrade of the user experience of GitHub. So just as VS Code has command palettes that you can it enables you to switch around extensions and all other features that is inbuilt inside Visual Studio Code. GitHub released a similar feature that helps you to navigate around or switch between repositories or your organizations, or you can just jump from one place to another in just a split second with a very simple shortcut. So if you're on Mac, it's Command K. If you're on Windows, it's Control K. So right now I want to jump to one of my oldest PHP repositories. So instead of me coming here to search, I can simply do Command K or Control K and just do PHP. For example, a PHP mailer. I just jump from where I was to this place straight away. While I'm here, I can jump from here to one of my React projects. So this is a weather app that I worked on. So I don't need to go back to like the conventional way where I might have to navigate back to my repository list page like this and then search the weather like that. So I can be here, I'll hit Command K or Control K if you're on Windows, and then I'll just get into one of my backend projects, which is this particular project. So this is a very amazing feature. And then GitHub also gives you the ability for you to turn on or off this particular feature. So when you click your avatar and scroll down, or let me say select the feature preview, you realize command palette has a disable button over here. So when you click it, the feature gets disabled. So meaning if you hit Command K or Control K, it wouldn't work. For me, I would like to keep it enabled because I want to move around fast. So thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button for more. I'll be releasing a new tutorial with React TypeScript. So stay tuned for that as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.